it's a scam of a lifetime. You know, not only do I get to upload a Mr. Beast video exclusively on my channel, but I'm also in the video. That's insane. That's crazy. I'm pumped for this. So anyway, it comes out today. I'm gonna release it at the end of the stream around like 6 p.m. 2 hours, maybe a little less, 3 hours. Is this yours or his? It will be. The video that was meant for his channel was uploaded on my channel. So it's technically a Mr. Beast video.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another live stream. Haven't done a live stream in 2 days now. More than 2 days. But we're back. It's been a bit busy here and there. You know, but we're still at it. We're still trading. We're still profitable. We're not doing too bad. I'll actually put it here, so I'm able to face that way. Okay, let's do this. Dude, open in a new tab. Boom, YouTube. Boom, boom. Let's cancel that and let's go to YouTube and let's start. Let's start with analysis and see where we are and what we have done so far. Very, very interesting. Delete that. Let's remove that too. Okay. So we're gonna start off by doing Bitcoin breakdown, and then we'll move into pairs. We're gonna start by doing a Bitcoin breakdown at first. Let me know if you guys can hear me well. Sheesh, kind of crazy, you know? Yes, sir. You guys can hear me? Well, cool, perfect. Okay. Then we're good. We should then start this breakdown. Ultra low, yeah, cool. All done. Just making sure everything running smooth. And we should be good, you know? BTC retracing TP to, oh yeah, absolutely. Let's break it down. So let's break it down. Starting here on the daily, of course, we can do, you know what, let's start from all the way up here, this whole move down. Let's see, from here to here. Okay, we have a market structure, so we're going to move it forward, we're going to take it down, boom boom, almost, but not quite. Oh my god, bro, this shit is nasty, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, the last market structure point for the daily was all the way up here, so this whole leg, a retracement have just started. This is insane. This could go on until all the way the resistance here. That's just crazy, I'm not gonna lie. That is just crazy. Literally no difference here or there, but neither here or there. We have a zone here. Boom, like that. It matches with our 38.2. We have confluence now. We have confluence. 29,000 retracement, then drop to 10,000. Yeah. Anyway, you can see here tested at 23.6. However, the retracement is still going. So this is a 4-hour retracement. So let's make this a daily. Visibility, minutes, hour, and keep it on the daily. Cool. We have a zone here. We have a zone here from 2. I would put one here, but price has already, you know, played around that area, so should be good. Now let's go to 4-hour. Now obviously the 4-hour new market structure, bang bang, from here to here, to 8.2, from here to here, structure, boom boom. Okay, from here to here. Okay, let's say, oh wait, hold up, gotta pay attention to small details. So let's say, yeah, it worked, so boom, fuck off. Yeah, carry on. Okay, bang, boom, break of structure happened. So from here, bang, okay. So now we're gonna start from the bottom, from right here. There's a market structure, so we will move that. And move with price. We have market structure, so we will move that. We have market structure, we will move that. One, two, three. We have market structure. Put that there. Okay, switch that over like this. Boom. Right there. Then we're gonna move it here. Nope. Yep. Right there. Oh, break of structure. Boom. Cool. Switch that. And look at that. We have our Fibonacci. A, B, and we are at C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's use that, and no, okay. Beautiful. Just like that. Simple as easy. 1, 2, 3. We have our target already. Long term. Free trade for y'all. Holy shit, why is it fucking blurry? God damn. Oh, look at our markup from yeah. I don't like to trade it either, to be honest. I just break it down for people. But you're right, it's crazy. Bitcoin, because it's so easily manipulated by people, and you know, by rich people, because the forex market is very difficult. Where's TP? So TP would be around the 25,600,000 level. Yeah, 25,600. That would be a final TP. However, you have to keep in mind that we have 2 daily resistance that we have to break first in order to reach that final TP. So if price doesn't break these, then yeah, then you shouldn't have that as a TP. I'm just saying. You gotta watch the daily resistance that we have here. We have one here and one there. But overall, we should be good to be able to reach there, honestly. So just keep in mind these two areas, the 23,600 level. If it breaks, then cool. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But yeah, so keep that in mind. Anyway, that would be a TP. That would be a TP. Beautiful 2 cells on GJ here. Man, love this shit. Almost. It's teasing us. Isn't there a head and shoulder pattern? I don't know. I don't trade head and shoulders. Where is it? What time frame did you see it on? This? Is this what you saw? Guys, what are we doing? What are we doing? Head and shoulders, head and arms, legs. I feel it would reach past higher on 1 hour. Possible, very possible. Yeah, possible, man, possible. Okay, let's get rid of this shit. GU, please. It looks like it's a 4-hour zone to go bearish. Alright, let's have a look. GBP USD, you say, right? Right here. Wow, will you look at that? Our Fibonacci from A, B, C has been completed. We broke this down in the few other trades, in the few other live streams that we had, sorry. Yeah, so just make sure you guys paying attention, because we broke this down, and look at that. We have a perfect Fibonacci played out to the T, and we could now see a new Fibonacci coming in. So let's break it down. Now this is now irrelevant because it's been completed, and if you haven't took it, if you didn't take the trade, then it's gone, it's done. Let's look for another opportunity. Also, the fair value gap that we had here has been filled. So now let's delete that because it's been filled. And look at GU. So we have resistance. We are now at a resistance, right? We are now at a resistance. We've passed through this, so we're going to move this here. and we have support. So now we have a resistance and a support. So now we're trading in between the zone. Going back to the 4-hour time frame. Now let's identify a daily Fibonacci at first to see where is the retracement and where is the break of structure. Okay, so starting from there, I know for a fact this is a retracement. So we're gonna start it from here to here. Okay, market structure there, boom. Now from here, actually, wow. Okay, so we have perfect. Okay, looks like we have a new market structure down here, and then price came down, price here, cool. We'll move it there. Oops. We have one right. No. Okay, wow, it did not touch that. So it didn't make. Then the next one was down here, but then this one did. So we're gonna bring it up here, and from down here to down here. Yes, we got a zone here, cool. Nope. Yep. Okay. So now we have, wait, what? Yeah, so we have this right now. Our last, or maybe not. Hold on. Bang. This might be confusing for some of you, but if you guys are in the Discord, then you'd know what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Wow. I'm getting it. I know you are. It's because you are in the Discord and you're taking the private lessons that I'm providing. Oof. Okay. So here's our daily Fibonacci. Wow, look at that. If this doesn't tell you how perfect this was and how I came to fit this Fibonacci perfectly onto my weekly support, which would be the last TP for our daily Fibonacci. So for this daily Fibonacci, it will complete when price hits this weekly zone, weekly support. That's already confluence for me to stay to be actually confident in this. The second confluence is that I have an 88.6 Fibonacci retracement on top of a daily resistance. Now we have three confluences. We have a daily retracement on the Fibonacci, we have a daily resistance, we have an 88.6, and we have a final TP that lies perfectly with weekly support. Wow, cool. Now we're gonna keep that right there on the daily. Our daily is now done. Cool. Now we're gonna move on to 4-hour time frame. Now 4-hour time frame, you can of course start from here. Okay, boom. Nah, don't like it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay, then we're gonna move it here. Okay, I'll take it. Then we can move here. And then we pushed. Then we came back. Okay, I'll take it. We're gonna go here. Whoa. And then we pushed. We pushed. I'll take it. We pushed. I'll take it. We pushed. I will not take it. But then we pushed even higher. And I will take it. Then we're gonna move here. And there we have it, guys. We have a 4-hour Fibonacci from A to B. Look at that. Final TP lies exactly where my daily resistance cell is. So now I have more confluence. What do we have here? 50% next to our daily support. I have 38.2. And things are adding up. Bang. Boom. Right there. So the price would drop down. I would think that it would probably like to come back up there and then drop. Come back here. And then come back to this level. If not deeper. So we have 4-hour zone, 4-hour fib. We know where we are on the daily, 88.6 daily resistance. We have a target for the overall right down here. But 4-hour market structure is still bullish. Therefore, I wouldn't just start selling immediately. I would rather break it down to smaller time frames such as 1 hour, and honestly I wouldn't go less than the 1 hour, just because then for sure if price breaks, then you are in a long trade and you're not gonna catch it. You're not gonna catch 10 to 5 pips, you're gonna catch 100 pips. That's why I wouldn't go anything lower than the 1 hour time frame. So we have our 4-hour fib. Now we go down on our 1 hour. So what we can do is on the 1 hour do this, right? Let's say we start from here. Boom, boom. No, won't take it. No, won't take it. No, won't take it. Boom. There's another 1 hour fib. 50% lies in between this zone. Cool. 20 negative 27 lies on the daily. Cool, cool. Now I have a 1 hour fib. Now when this 1 hour fib breaks or starts coming hard, then we'll go down to smaller time frames and so on and so forth. You keep doing this until you find your entry point. So that's what you do, guys. You keep going until you find your entry point. But GU is very bearish so far. The reason for that is because dollar is weakening. So I wouldn't consider selling yet. I would wait for something big to happen, like some sort of what do we have? We have news. No, nothing important. We have this high impact news at 15 on the 2nd, which will be today is the 2nd. So tomorrow, yeah, today later on at 3 o'clock. So just wait for that and see. And then if price breaks, then you can take a sell when you actually for sure know that, okay, price is actually, because look at that. We're trading so highly above the moving averages. So we're still very bullish. I wouldn't consider selling. Look at that. I wouldn't consider selling as of yet. A lot of people rush into selling just because it's at a resistance. You need to remember something. You put that resistance there, right? So when you keep that in mind, why would you think that I can just go and put a zone here? Boom, I have a zone. If price goes there, I'm gonna sell. But why? It makes no sense. Remember, you're the one who drew these lines and Fibonacci's and support and resistance. So what makes you think that the banks are now going to respect these lines and zones that you drew on your trading view charts? They don't give a shit. So what we can do is draw these lines, draw these zones, and then have a bias and wait and react. Don't anticipate, don't predict. Just wait, react. Oh shit, this zone actually held. Oh shit, my resistance was, I was actually right about this area being a resistance. Price ended up breaking structure. Therefore, I'm gonna jump on with the trend and ride the wave. Alex G said it. Trading is like when you go to the ocean to surf. If there's no waves coming your way, you're not gonna surf. You can't surf against the wave. You're just gonna get destroyed. You want to surf with the waves. So unless the waves is coming, unless the momentum is coming, unless the market structure is breaking, unless all of that are lining up, that's when you start selling. Am I making any sense, guys? Please drop a 1 in the chat if you understand what I'm saying and if you agree with me. Drop a 1. Let me know. Which structure needs to be broken before sell? For me personally, the 1 hour, right? I don't give a shit about 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't care about none of that. The reason for that is because I'm not a scalper. If you're a scalper, then obviously the smaller time frame would matter. That's why I always say, what type of trader are you? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Why do you swing traders look at daily? I don't give a shit about the daily. I look at 4 hour. I look at 1 hour. I know the 1 hour time frame is very bullish. Why would I be selling, right? But look what happened here. Look what happened here. 1 hour market structure is bearish. Let me hide this. Look at this. 1 hour market structure is bearish. Boom, retracement, sell, boom. We have a break of structure, right? Beautiful. Break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. Absolutely beautiful. Then I put my Fibonacci from point A to point B, wait for the retracement to take a buy for 300 pips. 300 fucking pips. I'm not gonna sit there on the 1 minute chart and be like, where is it? Here. Oh my god, break of structure to the downside. I'm gonna sell. You sell, price takes you out, price continue to the upside. I don't care about that. Shit, market broke structure to the upside. I'm gonna start buying. Starts price consolidates, takes you out. Consolidates, takes you out. You in profit, then you in drawdown. You in profit, then you. No, it's very messy. Look at this. On the 1 hour, it's very clean. Market structure breaks. Cool. Fibonacci from point A, point B, buy, buy, buy opportunity, buy opportunity, buy opportunity, buy opportunity, and you keep moving your Fibonacci from point A to point B, from point A to point B. Every time market structure prints a higher low or a higher high, you move your Fibonacci and you keep buying the trend. And that is the waves, guys. That is, you are at the ocean right now. The waves are coming down. Why are you buying? Ride the wave. The waves are up now. Starts waving up with the trend. That's why 1 hour is reliable. And then the 4 hour is also not so far behind than the 1 hour. So imagine you have 4 hour and 1 hour market structure supporting you, so that if you do put your stop loss beneath a market structure level, it's going to be very difficult for, well, not difficult, but it would take a lot from the market to break that, which means a whole new trend is about to begin. No problem. We're going to change bias. We're going to react to the market. But when you have your stop loss beneath a 5 minute support, that's not gonna hold. They don't give a fuck. Like price moves. Look at these wicks, right? Let me show you guys something. You see this wick here? Watch this. This whole shit was a wick on the 1 hour time frame. Literally nothing more. And this would have confused a lot of people. Okay, price is selling. Nah, price is going up now. We have bearish market structure. You know, lower high, boom, you enter, you in drawdown. Okay, shit. It's coming down, it makes another lower high, you sell, you in profit, then you in drawdown. Right? Look how messy this shit is. You buy, you in profit, then you in drawdown again. You put your stop below here, look what happened. Boom. They don't respect, they do not respect 5 minute support. Like, what is it? It's very weak. It's nothing. They break it. Look here. They broke it. Look here. Boom. Like, you see what I'm saying? But when you look at 1 hour time frame, that was just a little wick, right? That was just a little wick. And if you had your stops below the wick, or below, you know, a place where, let's say, where is it? So market structure prints this. You see the wick, candle closure. You put your stops below the wick. You are safe. You are very safe. Boom. See, market respects market structure. Boom. Respects, makes this. Then you move stops to the higher low. Market makes a new low, moves up. You move stop loss higher. Makes a new high, you move stops higher. Makes a new high, you move stops higher. And so on until you are taking out. But instead of losing 500 trades in this area when it was just a wick, you could have caught a minimum of, from down here, let's say you buy down here to there, that is 144 pips. Come on, guys. Come on. God damn. And please stop acting like you will die if you don't trade today. 500,000 trades. Stop acting like you have to trade, you have to make money, or else you can't pay your rent. Just remember, 2 years ago you didn't even know about this market, or however long ago you started or heard about Forex market. So you lived your whole life without the market. What makes you now all of a sudden think that you have to trade and you have to make money, and you're over trading, you're over risking? Why are you doing that? You were living fine before market. Now all of a sudden you think the market's gonna make you rich? If anything, the market is designed to take our money, and you're literally happily giving it away by being weak psychologically, not structurally plan your trades, and then trade your plan. You gotta plan your trades, trade your plan. Simple. That's why I wait for hours and hours. Hamad, you in the Discord, tell the people, bro. Tell the people. Do I send 500 trades a day, and then 90% of them hit stop loss, and then one of them will hit take profit for 10 pips? Or do I send 1 to 2 trades a day, and both of them hit take profits, such as right here? Proof. You guys want to see more proof? I'll show you more proof. Here's more proof. I'm closing GJ. Boom. 9:11 p.m. just before market closed. Why? I don't want to hold throughout the night when the spreads are massive, and you know, anything could have 2 to 3 trades. Yes, but how's the win rate? Madness. How many pips do we catch? Let's see. On this one, it's a 4-to-1, and it's 133 pips. On this one, it's a 92 pips. Total over 200 pips. I'm not catching 100 pips. I'm not catching 10, 15 pips. I'm catching long. This is the before. This is the before. This is the after. This is the before. This is the during TP1. and this is after. Guys, look at this. Market dropped throughout the night while we are asleep. Boom. 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 1 hour. Trade. Boom. Yes. Flex results. Look at my students. Making $100 a day. Following that simple, easy, and stress-free trades. 1 to 2 trades a day. We're not over risking. We're not over leveraging. We're waiting for the right setup. Quality over quantity. Now that's enough for you guys. The rest is for the community. If you are interested, join down below, man. Join down below. It's a one-time fee, and you never pay again, and you make your money back. Here's proof. My man here made his money back that he paid to enter, and now he's in there for life, making profits. From now on, he's only making profit. He already made the initial investment that he invested, and he, anyway. Also, guys, I want to talk to you about something that happened to my YouTube today. So I got an email from YouTube, right? Today I checked my email. I got an email. You see this join button right here? If you guys on YouTube, go to my channel. What this is, let me explain what this is really quickly. I've called it the Forex gang, right? This is for the people who are, I don't want to say struggling financially, but yes, if you can't afford the mentorship, if you can't afford £100, a one-time fee, what you can do is simply join the Forex gang on YouTube. I'm trying to give back to my YouTube community, right? So what you can do is you join for £8 a month, right? Very, very affordable. Here's what you'll get. It's members exclusive benefits only. You'll get a badge during the live streams. Your name will have a badge next to it and always highlighted. So I'm more likely to see your comment than any other person. Then you have customized emojis such as stop loss hit, take profit hit, sniper entry, and much, much more. So what will you get? You will get weekly Zoom calls with me. Weekly breakdowns with me, a watch list. So in the watch list, I'll have 5 to 6 pairs. We'll break it down over Zoom, over Discord, whatever. And you will have weekly breakdown, weekly Zoom calls, and 1 to 2 signals a day. And you'll be able to join me when I'm live with you. So we are talking together while trading at the same time. So I will not give you, everything I'm doing for the fully membered on the Discord, but this is something I will, do a weekly update with you guys. 1 to 2 signals, perfect. Make sure you're all good. So if you are interested, consider joining. It's right here. I didn't even know that you could do something like that. And I never had this in mind. I got an email says that you have been qualified for a membership exclusive benefits only. So I was like, shit, let me try and help as many people as I can. Anyway, back to our trades here. So one person wanted to sell here. Now, sure, you may catch a few pips. You may catch 10-15 pips. I'm not saying you'll not catch that, but what I'm saying is if you are trying to catch 100 pips to grow your small Forex account, because when you catch 5 pips, 10 pips, 15 on a 0.01 or 0.02, you're not really catching, you're not really making much profit. But when you are trying to grow a small Forex account and you're catching 100 pips, you see now the profits are bigger. Obviously, it takes a bit longer, patience as well. But hey, this is just my trading style and how I like to do it. It's less free. It's less free. It's less margin on my account, less stress on my life, and I can actually sleep at night. Scalpers be sitting there like sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Anyway, So here's what I will do for GU guys. I will watch this zone. I will watch right here 4-hour resistance, daily resistance, see what happens. If price comes back down, sure, I will watch it at the first market structure point. If it makes a market structure point and this support holds, right, then I will be looking into buying. TP1 would be here, and then TP2 would be here. However, if price breaks this, cool, I'm gonna wait, come back here. If holds here, then a better risk to reward. Holds here, better risk to reward, even better risk to reward, even better risk, until it breaks. Once it breaks the 100%, boom, then I have a new Fibonacci from point A to point B. I'm going to look for a retracement to then sell it hard. And we're going to sell it hard, bro. We're going to make hundreds of pips. So that's what I am seeing for GU. It's up to you. You can follow me. You can start selling now, but that's my personal view on it and how I am seeing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. God damn. Any other pair that you guys would like me to break? Oh, look at that. I can't make this up, bro. I literally broke this down with you from the daily, and I'm already in profit. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, I've entered my trade, but I'm not. I'm already in profit. I've already hit my daily target. I'm fine. This is what I'm saying. If you know where you are during, if you know where you are in the market and you're not lost, it's like looking at the map. Imagine look at the map without roads. You wouldn't know where to go. The roads, the maps, the market structure tells us exactly when we should be buying, when we shouldn't be buying. And it's as simple as that. Understanding market structure, supply and demand, price action, Fibonacci, boom, simple. Obviously, Hamad knows about the secret sauce. Let me guys give you a quick little glimpse. This is boom. See that? Okay. That part is on a whole other level, advanced shit. That shit is advanced as hell and so accurate as well. I usually trade with both of them on, but I will not talk about this in public. This is just for members, Discord members only. Hamad, remember the breakdown? But even you're like, bro, this is so crazy and it's so accurate. Yeah, you know, I know you know. Oh man, it's crazy. But look at this, man. Already in profit. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful 1 hour bullish engulfing. I would be comfortable. I would be very much comfortable in this trade after a break of this high. That gives me an extra confidence that 1 hour market structure has been broken and we are ready to buy to our target. Tomorrow I will do another live stream tomorrow and I will catch on this, guys. I will catch up on this with you guys. It's gonna be insane, man. It's gonna be so insane. Fucking love this shit. It's so simple. It's simple, but it's not easy because you gotta control your mind. When you control your mind, when you control your emotions, man, you will be unstoppable. And you will start thinking like, shit, maybe some of these fake gurus that are so rich from the market are not actually fake. Maybe they do trade for real. Now, obviously, personally, I'm not at that level yet. Just because I haven't gone the funded route yet. I'm working on my own personal capital, and it's taking way longer than just, you know, throwing 100k account and start trading that. I'm gonna do that soon, actually. I'm not gonna lie. But goddamn, man, I should take it to a whole new level, man. I'm gonna start an FTMO challenge series on my YouTube, and then just have everything public. Literally public, full transparency. Anyway, any other pair you guys would like me to break down? Chat, any other pair? Here's another trade on gold. that I also didn't enter but gave away for free to everybody. If you go back to previous live streams, you see me breaking this down to the T, and I said there is a fair value gap here that the market will probably come back and fill. We had a 38.2 market structure retracement on a daily support, and price, look, moved over. What is this? Is that 500 fucking pips? And you guys didn't even take advantage of that. Come on, bro. What are you guys doing? You guys are playing games, man. So now we have a new fib from here. You guys want someone to come in and take the trade for you next. Put in the work, boys. Put in the work. Invest in yourself. Okay, so now that that's filled, we don't need it anymore. We can go on the daily, see what's up. 1 hour daily. Yeah, okay. Let's delete that. Boom, 50%, 61. Beautiful, man. We got some beautiful shit lining up, I'm not gonna lie. This could be the breaking point for all the way drop to 1634. This could be it. I'm telling you right now, this could be it. I'm not saying is, I'm saying could be. Again, I am personally putting these Fibonacci's on, personally putting these lines on. So remember, just because you put your line there does not mean that banks, markets is going to respect that line. They don't know, they don't care, they don't give a shit. You are nothing to them. Euro USD coming right up. Let's look at the 1 hour. What do we have? Also 1, 2, 3. We never got a market structure on the 1 hour here. No, 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 and no. So guys, I'm telling you now, I feel like gold is gonna drop to at least this level, if not all the way to the 61.8. Your analysis is lit. It's simple, bro. Look at this. No indicators, because they're laggy and they're always behind. I don't want to be behind. I want to be right with the market. I want to be exactly, like, literally with the market. If market moves a pip, I want to be able to see that. I don't want to looking at indicators, waiting for that freaking indicator to register that the market has moved. Let me start making my calculations and move accordingly. No. I'm with price. I'm moving with it. I'm all about it. So 1 hour time frame, I have a Fibonacci on the 1 hour. I do believe price is could very well come back. Ooh, guys, there is a hammer. There is a hammer on a daily resistance, and a 4 hour resistance as well. My gosh, this is lining up for a beautiful sell. However, again, I'm putting all these lines on the chart, so I would like banks to give me a signal that I am right. Then I will consider taking the trades. Anyway, let's look here. Look at this. Look at this. I can't make this up. You see how price is moving to the upside? Boom. Right? Look at the RSI. Price is moving to the downside. What does that mean? It means it's a divergence. It means price is losing momentum. It means that the buyers are not as strong as the sellers anymore. They're getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and that's why RSI momentum is getting weaker and weaker. So when a divergence happens, what I want you to do is follow the RSI. Don't follow price. When you see a divergence, always follow the RSI, because the RSI will be right, because the RSI is a momentum indicator. It's not a like, I don't care if it's 1 minute behind, it doesn't matter. It's, I'm looking at the 1 hour momentum for the last day or two. So that tells me a lot, that hey, they've stopped buying as much anymore and they may start selling it. So I will wait, I will have my zones, I will have my alerts, and from there I will move on. So I have my 4 hour fib, I have my 1 hour fib, I have my supply area, I have my demand area, I have my resistance, support, all of that lining up perfectly for a sell. However, I'm not jumping in until market shows me a reason to, until market tells me, yo, sell me now, until I'm seeing a massive wave coming towards me, and I'm gonna surf that fucking thing. So if I'm not seeing it, I'm not gonna take it. Oof. What else do we have? Okay, so if price rejects there, break structure down here, I will take a sell below, but I will obviously update you guys. You said Euro USD, yeah? Euro USD. Let's do it. Let's start. Always daily, daily, daily. I love the daily because it's such a strong and clean. Look at this. Very simple and clean market structure. Boom, 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 boom. So just by looking at this, I know for a fact last market structure for the daily was this here. So we're gonna place a boom. Whoa. So drop, boom. Nah, I don't like it, so I'm not gonna take it. Okay, so we have a daily resistance that lines up with our 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Now we know for a fact that this, hey, thanks for the subscribe, man, appreciate it. So I know for a fact that the last daily market structure is point A right here, point B down here. There we go. Now when we have a massive sell-off and then a retracement, very choppy price action, that means there's another sell coming down. So I will be waiting for some sort of a major point in the market. What do we have here? We have support that could be used as resistance. So now price is slowly creeping up to that point to then give us a final target of 0.97796 target, if obviously Fibonacci plays out and they are happy to be selling the market. Obviously we can always predict where I would like to take profit, but if price stops, let's say at the 100%, and somehow it's rejecting and it's not breaking, always secure some profits, take some partials out, move stops to break even, so that at least you are slowly but surely growing your account and not giving back all the profits you're making. So I always highly recommend taking some partial profits out. If you enter a trade, price drops 20 pips in your favor immediately, take some partials, man, secure some profit. Even if you are taking out at stop loss, but you've already secured profit, so that profit will cancel your stop loss out for one, you know what I'm saying? So always 1-to-1, take some partials out, and then, you know, take 50% or whatever. Yeah, obviously risk tolerance is up to you. It's not what should you do, it's how much. But personally, I don't risk more than 1%. Therefore, no trades ever matter. I don't care about this trade. I don't care about the trades before. I don't care about the trades before and after. This is just one trade of a million trades that I'm going to take tomorrow and until I die. So why would I risk my whole account on one trade? Now I'm only risking one. And imagine losing 100 trades. Have you ever heard of somebody losing 100 trades in a row? It's impossible. Therefore, you'll almost, obviously it's not impossible. You can obviously lose 100% of, if you literally trying to lose. Even if you're trying to lose, some of your losers would somehow turn into a winner. Anyway, so it's impossible to blow an account when you're always risking 1%. But yeah, it will take a long fucking time. Anyway, so this is what I'm looking at for Euro USD. I am waiting for a retracement to preferably this level here that would be considered. When taking partials, do you take stops to break even or leave it? Now, I look at market structure. If I have a very strong higher high point or a lower high point in the market that I know I can put my stops here, and it's outside of a fluctuation zone that I know, okay, let's say okay, let me do a quick virtual example here. Let me remove this. Let's say you enter a trade here, right? No, hold on, my bad. Okay, here, let's say you enter a trade here. Let's say you take a sell, you take it after the bearish engulfing. Now you have stops above and you have a TP down here, right? Cool. Your TP, let's say your TP is here. Your TP hasn't taken hit profit. Now you're in the trade. You're in profit. When do you move stop loss at break even? Here's when do you do it. You take your fib from point A to point B. You wait for a new market structure point to form, such as this. Look at that, very strong market structure point. Okay, cool. Now I can move stops to break even above this zone right here. And look what happened. Boom. Price come back, makes us another lower high, drops. Boom. Move price to break even. Right now, I wouldn't move it right here because price is still retracing, it's still creeping up. If it stops here and gives me something like this, strong, something like this, and it drops, then I'll move it here. And I'll keep doing that over and over and over again. You have to put it below a higher low in an uptrend and above a lower high on a downtrend. That's how you take partial profits out. But I always also recommend that, let's say this is a 134, well, hold on. Where is a 1-to-1? Let's say a 1-to-1. When price is moving 1-to-1, I like to secure some partial profits out, just so that if, God forbid, price tries and hits our stop loss, I am not 1 hour down, I am less than 1 hour down, if not break even. Do you know what I'm saying? Make sense? Drop a 1 in the chat if it's making sense. Okay, I'm seeing 1. Perfect. I'm glad I'm helping you guys out. Perfect. Cool. All right. So this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for my last. Let me clone this. I'm waiting for my last market structure point. Maybe something here, because we have support. We could then, market could use it as resistance for then a new lower low. So how does that translate into gold? Remember what I said about gold. Watch here. Price is at a resistance. If gold drops, means dollar strengthening, right? If dollar strengthening, means Euro USD is gonna drop. See how it's all connecting now? Okay, let's say here's the dollar, here's Euro USD, and here's gold. If the dollar is strong, both of these would start going down. I'm not saying perfectly, but if the dollar is very strong, most likely Euro USD is dropping and gold is dropping, because people are moving their money from safe like gold into dollar, because the dollar is strong, it's strengthening, it's healthy. And then when the opposite is happening, the opposite is happening. So I'm waiting for a retracement on Euro USD. I'm waiting on the I am in a retracement on gold, so that gives me another confluence, which means the dollar, the DXY, let me show you the dollar. The dollar DXY is dropping, and that's why these two pairs are retracing. Same with GBP USD, it's retracing. That's why you see the dollar is weakening. Now when the dollar is now the dollar is approaching my daily support. You see this blue line? I have the dollar approaching my daily support. Now if the dollar really holds this support and start moving to the upside and strengthening, what do you think is going to happen to Euro USD? What do you think is going to happen to gold? What do you think is going to happen to GU? They're all going to drop. Let's look at the 4-hour. Look at that. A, B, C, new market structure. It's play, guys, I can't make this up. Look at this. Look at the daily. Look at my daily fib from A to B. Look where price is at. Retracing for then what? A continuation. Look how strong the market is. Guys, I don't know what y'all doing. You guys are playing games, man. You gotta get your game, gotta get your A game out. Come on, boys. We focus, study. Here's what I did for a full year. I had a 9 to 5 job. I've just had a baby. I've just became a father. All right, this is a year ago. A year ago, I had a 9 to 5 job. I had my first daughter, my first baby. She was just born, and I was working 9 to 5. I was attending, being, father. I was studying the market 24 hours a day. I didn't sleep. I would work from 9. I would wake up at 6, study the market till 9, be at my job from 9 to 6, 9 to 5. But when I was at my 9 to 5 job, every break I have, I'm on my charts on my phone. I use the Sharps laptop. I used every resource I had to make it work. My boss got upset at me once for using the laptop for charts and stuff. He was like, "This is for work only. What are you doing?" I said, I'm gonna quit soon. And best believe, 2 months down the line, I was making enough money from the market that replaced my full-time job. I didn't need to go to work. So I was like, I'm already making as much money as you pay me. Why must I still come? And then I quit. I called him. I said, fuck off, I'm done. And then since then, I've been free. And now my daughter's a year old. So there is no excuse. There is no excuse. I don't care how busy you are. You can always find time. And I would go to bed and I would finish work at 6, go home, eat dinner with my wife and child, right? Eat dinner with my wife and child. And then straight after that, sorry, baby, I'll have to work. And then literally study the market until 12, 1 a.m., wake up at 6 again and do it all over again for a year. For a full year. There is not a single course online that I haven't taken. There's not a single paid course that I didn't take. And all of it together formed this strategy. The easiest, the most simplistic, the most effective strategy that I found for myself. That's it, man. That's it. This is my story. This is my story. So this is what I'm waiting on for Euro USD. We are in a retracement. I will wait for price to see what happens here. If price holds, gives me nice bearish engulfing on the 1 hour time frame, then I'm in, boys. I will sell it. But obviously, personally, my head gets sore when I'm watching hundreds of charts. I like to focus on one pair. And Hamad in the Discord knows, I would literally send GJ signals. And the reason for that is because when I'm focused on one specific pair, I would never miss a move like this. When you watching hundreds of pairs, if you have a watch list and it's this big, the fuck you doing? Obviously, personally, it's just my personal opinion. The fuck you doing? You can't keep up. How many TV shows can you watch at the same time? And literally know what's happening in every TV show, in every episode. You can't. This is like a TV series or a book. Every page is every day. How many books can you read at once? Read one book, one page at a time, one day at a time. You'll never miss a move. That's why I dedicated my time to GJ and gold. If GJ is consolidating, obviously, of course, sometimes your pair is consolidating, your pair is not moving, whatever. Move to gold. You keep watching between these two. I can watch 3 shows at the time. See what is What are you capable of doing? Know yourself is very important as well. You can't look at what this trader's doing and do exactly the same. No, but that worked for him. You're not him. You are you. So find you. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, that's how I view it, and that's how I do it, boys. That's how I do it. I mean, look at this. What is the time? Look at my time. It's 12 a.m. I'm working. I'm right here. I'm live streaming. I'm trading. I've worked all day. I woke up at 6 in the morning. I don't know. No excuses. No excuses whatsoever. AUDSD, boom, boom, boom. Okay, daily, boom, boom. USD, JPY. Look at that, from here to here. Madness. Stupid. Hate this pair. Gold, beautiful, beautiful. 4 hour, A. Where is B? Fuck. Oh, right there. Okay, cool, cool. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, BTC. Boom. Yeah, where were we? Sorry, yeah, oh, EURUSD. Yeah, so this is USD. That's what I'm waiting on, boys. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm waiting on. And yeah. Fuck. Oh. A, B, C, and then maybe D. I'm gonna set an alert up here so that we get alerted. Did I set an alert for gold? Yeah, I do have one. GU. I don't have one, so I'm gonna set one right now. BTC. Beautiful. Still in profit. Still in profit. Yeah. And why haven't I been stopped up? Because look at my stop loss. It's below a market structure point. And I don't give a shit about how many pips my stop loss is. It doesn't matter. If you're only risking 1%, go to a lot size calculator and tell it that you'll have a 50 pip stop loss. It would tell you how much of your account you must use a lot size. So I don't give a fuck about 50 pip stop loss, 10 pip stop loss. I can risk 1% on a 10 pip stop loss. I could risk 1% on a 100 pip stop loss. The lot sizes was gonna change, but not the money. The money would still be the same. So yeah, it doesn't matter. And guess what? I get stopped out way less times than what I would from you know. Oh my god, look at this. So I've had, obviously this is my YouTube, you can see here on top, this is my YouTube. I always break stuff down here for the YouTube live stream, and then look, I come back 2 days later, every single Fibonacci trade has hit TP. Like, oh my bro, what is this? 486 pip. You guys need to subscribe down below, man. With the bell, so you never miss an upload. Yeah, man, insane stuff. BTC, boom. US30. This I did that on the 29th of, hold on, 28th of July. I put that on, and no, price consolidated, and then boom, price did exactly as I thought it would. Right here, boom, did exactly as I thought it would. Right here, it did exactly, but then we moved. Remember, it was a take profit because Fibonacci was from point A here to point B here, and then yeah, so now we have a new fib. And then gold, now we broke it down just now. We have a 4-hour structure here, Fibonacci, but however, you have to keep in mind the daily. The daily is also very important. We are at a crucial point in the market, so there's a very chance that this market structure can be broken, and the 1 hour. Therefore, always you have just keep in mind what time frame is at a major point and what time frame is not at a major point. Because if the daily is just in the middle of nowhere and still moving up, then I don't worry too much about it. Then I focus on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. But if the daily is at a major point, then I will focus on that and see how that reacts and how what's going there. Anyway, yeah. So that's that. EURUSD, boom, boom. Okay. What do we have here? AUDSD. Oh, this pair ABC, maybe. Oh my God, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Obviously, I don't trade oil. I usually just send and trade ideas and stuff. So with oil, I did put my stops. It's so sad to see this, man, but you know what, it's fine. I'm very happy. Price is moving in my direction. I was right about that direction, but this bitch with a wick would have stopped us out if you know, I'm not gonna hide a losing trade. This is it, full transparency. I'm going through the list here. This is my YouTube watch list, YT, and I always break the stuff down and leave them here for YouTube. So this trade played out, and you would have been in madness profit if you just moved, you know, stops above this wick. But obviously, you don't know what could happen, right? You obviously want to put stops just on the wick, just above. Spikes happen, manipulations happen, losses are inevitable, and that is why this could have been a 1%. Couldn't care less about it. We move on. We already have 4 winning trades that hit TP. So it is what it is. But I mean, look at this. I'm still right. Still right about the direction, which is very important. And the reason why I'm right about that direction is because I know where I am in market structure. I understand market structure. I'm not lost. Yeah, price could wick up, wick down. Eventually, it's moving. It respects market structure. It's the strongest thing. And there you guys have it. Oil, USD, JPY, boom, -27, -61, and 4-hour time frame hit perfectly. Take profit. Another trade that hit take profit on the 1-hour time frame. Perfect. Boom, AB. We have a C. Entered the trade after 1 hour bearish engulfing and take it for a sell. I can't make this shit up, bro. I can't make this shit up. UCAD. Look at that. Boom. Daily held, break, retest, boom, to the upside. I don't trade none of these. Oh my God. Who was here when I broke this trade down for somebody who was trying to sell price when it was around here? And I said, wait for price to pull up to this level, at least. Then you can sell it. And I put this here, and look what happened. A, B, C, but it didn't quite reached my point because there was orders here, but apparently they were happy for selling it up here, and then price melted. And look at this. It went way over the target. So yeah, man, this is beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Let me see if I can work something out here. Okay. Shitting. I hate when you misclick and then you move the whole fib. Okay, yeah, it's done. Let's delete that and start from here. It was there, boom. Okay, it's done. Yeah. Point A. We have a point B. Okay. Okay. No. Ooh. A, B, C. Okay, didn't quite make it. So let's flip that around. Point A. point B. Right there. Point C. Okay, broke structure. Boom. Okay, boom. All right. So we have this a. Ooh, not quite actually. Shit. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Not quite. It touched 38.2 but never actually settled really on it. And the reason for that, you see this black line? That's my weekly support. So weekly support held like a bitch and didn't let Fibonacci play out very well, but it's fine. We move it down to here. Still nothing. That's why I was waiting for this level to come. It didn't. Right here. Nah. So wow, we have all the way down here. Are you shitting me? Okay. So let's delete that because that's not working anymore, and let's keep this a 4 hour. Yeah. What's happening on the daily? Today. A, B, C, boom, negative 27%, just hit. Cool. Now we move fib from A to B, and then 38.2, the blue line, which then the blue line on the daily here matches with right there with my 4 hour. Same. Okay, what about the 1 hour? Okay, yeah, 1 hour is too low. I wouldn't go that low. Ugh, too messy. A quick tip: if you look at market structure and you're very confused about what's happening and there's too much going on, look at a higher time frame. So if you look at 1 hour and you're still confused about market structure, look at the 4 hour. If 4 hours is too messy, you don't know what's happening, look at the daily. Keep going through different market time frames until you find a very clean look where you understand what's happening. Because if you understand what's happening where you are, it will be easier to take trades from to, basically. 4 hour. Oh. Oh my gosh. Actually, I'll leave that there to alert me when full fucking TP hit. Full TP. Like last TP. Like stretching it TP. Guys. What is the time? It's 1 a.m. for me. This Bitcoin trade looking very, very good, to be honest. But again, keep in mind, there's 2 resistance. We are below 2 resistance. However, we are at a market structure point. So price could make a new higher high now. Just keep that in mind. A perfect entry would have been the 4-hour support, and then once price broke this high, you could have easily moved stops closer and maybe took some partials at the daily resistance, another partial at this daily resistance, and then once it broke here, you would have been Gucci. With that being said, I think I am done for tonight. I've already done two. Oh, by the way, if you guys don't know, I also run another YouTube channel that I also stream on, but it's a gaming channel. It has nothing to do with trading. Personally, because when you're trading and you're sitting in front of the charts, I don't want to have my mind and just staring at the charts moving slowly. I'd rather be doing something else. So started a gaming channel where I game and stream on there, so that keeps my attention away from the charts while the charts are playing out, you know. So that really helped me a lot. So I'm working on that as well. Working on so many things, man. But this is it for me, guys. This is it. Guys, did you enjoy today's live stream? Please let me know. If you do, show your appreciation by liking, sharing, subscribing, all the good stuff, man. Join the free Telegram. Come talk to me there. Join the perk. Be a member of the channel, guys. Awesome. Oh, thanks, man. That makes me happy to hear. You know, be able to help as many people as I can, and the bigger we are, the more I'm gonna be able to help. And then I want to build the biggest the biggest retail community in the world. I want to have a massive community. That's why I started my Discord. The link is in the description. It's a one-time payment, just so that I can avoid all the scammers and the people that just join and start trolling. And I want to have serious, dedicated people only. So yeah, join the Discord, join the channel members, do all the good stuff, man. Come invest in yourself. And your boy is out. I'm very tired. I'm gonna go get some rest. I have to wake up early tomorrow. Personally, I am not gonna take any trades tonight, just because I've literally just closed this trade here that is running very, very nicely and smoothly. So now I will have to obviously look in my secret sauce little chart there and double check what we're going to do and everything. But with that being said, guys, that is it from me. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Should we do we should do around the same time, 11ish, 12ish, going into Asia session. I want to try do live streams during London and New York, but it's just difficult for me when I'm around my daughter and stuff. So yeah, I'll try find time, but if I can't, I'll be here for Asia session. Thank you, guys, and yeah, see you. I'm out.